Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. I'm all about getting my 2021 Ford F-150 to 500,000 miles. Through my journey, there will be many parts and fluids that I go through, with maintenance items representing a big part of expenses. As I navigate through finding the most efficient and quality parts for my truck, I came across a brand called Premium Guard, or PG. PG is the largest private label aftermarket car filter supplier in North America, with quality parts spanning across different model, makes, and years of vehicles. PG maintains stringent manufacturing controls in their factories to meet customers' quality standards. They conduct extensive factory qualifications and ongoing audits for all of their factories. What that means for us consumers is that we can get quality parts for a fraction of OEM prices. Take for an example this oil filter cap on my sister's 2019 Audi A8L. The lowest price I found for an OEM is $120, while PG is a quarter of that price. In this video, I'm going to install this oil cap with a brand new oil filter. Start up the car so you can get a rough idea of what Premium Guard has to offer. Here we go. It's almost identical to what the OEM offers. Very solid plastic with the torque spec printed on top and a gasket that comes with it. All right, let's get the Audi in the garage. Identical. Look at that. And then the top, the only difference is the OEM one says VWAG on top. Go ahead and put a brand new Premium Guard oil filter in here. I'm going to go ahead and start the engine and see if there's any leaks. All right, everything looks good. I'll go ahead and put this engine cover back on and then we'll head back to the bench. If you want to see if Premium Guard makes parts for your vehicles, check out the link in the description. You'll be able to enter in your car information and PG will show you parts that are compatible with your vehicle. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video and wishing you all the luck in getting the most out of your vehicle. Bye now.